This is James Hockett and you're watching a Co-op Minute. Did you know that the Co-op manufactures our own gates right in the heart of Middle Tennessee? The Co-op metal fabrication plant is proud of the value that our gates bring to the farm. These products are made from the best materials that will meet the intended needs and last long enough to justify the cost. When the metal fabrication plant opened in August of 1971, only 3 products were manufactured: chain link and wired field gates and panel gates. Now, 52 years later, the plant makes more than 80 products, including mineral feeders and round bale feeders. The line of super heavy-duty gates manufactured at the facility is also superior to just about any other brand on the market. They are available in standard height and extra tall, with features of 7-bar height. These gates are made of heavy 2-inch tubing and will stand up to the most demanding livestock crowding situations. Be sure to visit your local co-op to purchase Tennessee-made hay feeders, gates, corral panels, or mineral feeders. Find the store nearest you at www.ourcoop.com/locations. Thanks for watching and come back next week for more tips.